Alright guys, welcome back. This is Famous Forex Academy, and all I share here it's best of the best strategies, guys. So I'm here again with another amazing one. It's a very reliable one. It's a 20 candlestick strategy. That means if you are scalping with this strategy, you are going to hold for as long as 20 minutes and you pick 20 candlesticks and close the trade with profit. So guys, without wasting much of your time, if you are here for the first time, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, share the video, like the video, and don't always forget to turn on your notifications so you can always get amazing stuff, because whatever I post here online is always amazing. So don't forget to turn on your notification to always get amazing stuff whenever I post them online. So guys, I'm back with this strategy. All you just have to do is just sit back, relax, watch this video with a clear mind and with some good understanding, so you can actually use them on your own trades and make so much money for yourself. So guys, like I said, if you're here for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, share the video. Like I always say, always share my videos with your friends. Let your friends use my videos and make money for themselves. So don't be stingy, don't keep it all to yourself. Share it, let everyone make money, because we all came to Forex to make money. Like I always say, no one came to Forex to lose money. So share my videos, let someone else use it and make money for themselves. So guys, don't forget to subscribe guys, share the video, like the video, and turn on your notification. And also don't forget to check on our description page. You will see a link to my WhatsApp number. Like, we do account management. We have a VIP group where we drop 3 to 4 signals, and they are main profitable signals. Okay, you can talk to me directly so we can talk on how we can go about it. And also we have a mentorship class that we school and mentor people and turn them into professional traders. You can also chat me up if you're interested too. And also on the description page there's a link to my free Telegram group where you can join. It's where we drop analysis and talk about the market, and also drop free signals as well. So don't forget to do that, guys. So quickly, let's get to the video. So first of all, the first thing you will be needing, it's the indicators for this strategy. But this strategy works perfectly fine on boom 1000 and on crash 1000. Okay, it works perfectly on boom 1000 and crash 1000. So the first thing you want to do for you to use this strategy is for you to add the indicators. And where you can find the indicators is on the F symbol on top of your screen. So when you click on the F symbol, you see all these indicators, and you can add them to your chart. So we'll be using 3 moving averages on this strategy. On the main chart, we have 2 moving average, and on indicator window 1, we have the Ichimoku, and we have moving average, we have relative strength index. So the first indicator we'll be adding here will be our first moving average on our main chart, which has a period of 10, shifts of 0, method exponential, apply to close. The style is 2 pixel. I'm using red, and there are no levels here. And after that, you click on done. Okay, and this is how your chart will look like. So now you go back to the F symbol, you add another moving average on your main chart, and this time around it has a period of 20, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. The style is 2 pixel, and I'm using green. Make sure you use a more visible color that you can actually see on your screen. Okay, after that you click on done. So now the next indicator you'll be adding will be on your indicator window 1, which is the Ichimoku. Okay, on the Ichimoku we have Tekansan 1, Kejunsan is 2, Seku span B is 52, and this place fill, you click on it and you feel it. Then on the styles we have Tekansan 4 pixel, I'm using black. Then the Kujinsan is 1 pixel, I'm using white. Up Kumu is 1 pixel, I'm using white. Down Kumu is 1 pixel, I'm using white. Chiku span 1 pixel, I'm using white. Why I'm using white on this side is because I don't want the chart to show, like the lines to show on my chart. Okay, I just want it to be all plain and white. So that's when if you're using a white background. But if you're using a black background, make sure you make them black, and this other place I feel black, make it white. After that you click on done. So the next indicator will be our third moving average, which still has a period of 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 4 pixel, and I'm using green. After that you click on done. Okay, so the next indicator and our last indicator for this strategy will be the relative strength index, which has the period of 4, apply to close, style is 4 pixel. I'm using white color because I just want the levels alone to show on the chart. I don't want the lines to show, just the levels alone. So if you're using a white background, make sure you keep that space white. If you're using a black background, make sure that place is black. So the levels here will be the level 90, the level 95, the level 10, and the level 5. And after that, you click on done. And when you might have finished installing all your indicators, now it's time for you to make a buy or a sell trade. But since we are scalping and we are trading against spike, this is boom, and we are trading against spike, that means we have to be selling. So if you are scalping crash, you have to buy. If you are scalping boom, you have to sell, because we are trading against spike, we are scalping. So we are just going to take 20 candlesticks and we close the trade. So guys, this is how this strategy works. First of all, you have to set this strategy to a zoom level, and the zoom level we use here is after you might have finished zooming out your chart, you just zoom in twice. Okay, that's the second zoom level we'll be using for this strategy, and that's it. And when that is done, the next thing you want to do is wait for the right time for you to start selling. That's if you're on boom. But if you're on if you're on crash, that means you have to be buying. But I'm using boom right now, so I'm going to show you how this works on boom. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is wait for your indicators to be in place. So the first thing you watch out for is you have to wait for a certain spike, because before the price can actually get to this level 90 here, that means there have to be a spike. Okay, the spike has to push the price up to this level, and when that happens, once you see the price at this level, at level 90, that which means that the black indicator and the green one you're seeing here will be above the level 90, or in between level 90 and level 95. Okay, so what you do is, the moment you see that happening, the moment you see that the price is at this overbought level, which you are seeing this black and green indicator that they are at the level 90. Okay, when once you see them at level 90, what you do next is you look over your main chart. Okay, and when you look over your main chart, you have to be a little bit patient. You don't just rush in and you start buying, because sometimes the market can get to this level after that first spike, because before the market can actually get to this level, there must be a spike. So you don't just rush in after that spike. You have to wait a bit, because most times a spike might happen like this, and before you know it, in 2 seconds you have another spike. So what you just have to do, you have to be a little bit patient. You wait for these two indicators on your main chart to cross each other to the downside like this. Please, I repeat myself. Once you find this black and green indicator on your indicator window 1 above the level 90, okay, and you look over your main chart, okay, what you have to do next is you have to wait for the green and red indicator you're seeing here to cross each other to the downside like this. And once that happens, you open your positions and you start selling. And when you sell, all you just need to do is pick 20 candlesticks. I repeat, pick 20 candlesticks. Don't stay longer than 20 minutes. 20 minutes, pick 20 candlesticks, close the trade, and wait for the conditions to be in place again. Like I said, you can repeat this strategy 10, 20, 30 times a day. So far the conditions are in place. Okay, so all you just need to do is just wait. Whenever you see these conditions in place, you open your trade, you pick 20 candlesticks, and you close the trade with profit. It's very simple, guys. It's a very simple strategy, but it's very, very powerful. It's very powerful, guys. And one thing I have to explain to you guys again is that whenever you want to scalp the market like this, you have to always watch out for the trend. Okay, watch out for the trend. Don't just start buying because you have a strategy. Sometimes the strategy might not work perfectly fine because the trend doesn't favor you. So in order for you to be sure that the trend is really favoring you, if you're actually scalping boom, that means you're selling, then you have to be sure that the price, the trend is on a downtrend. Because if you find the price on a downtrend market, it favors you more, because that means it's actually selling. And if you are entering the market at that time, selling and making your money, you'll be 90% to 100% sure that you will hardly lose your money because the trend is in your favor. But if you open the trade and you use this strategy and you start selling without even checking out if the trend is against you, you might lose money because at that time you are selling, the market might be buying, and in that case you have series of spikes happening, and when that happens you keep losing money and you will say that the strategy is not working. But no, the strategy is working perfectly fine. All you just need to do is make sure that the trend works in your favor. If you want to sell, make sure that you're having a downtrend market. If you want to buy, make sure you're having an uptrend market, okay, so you don't lose money. So this is what I mean. After you might have finished doing all this, inserting your indicators, and you're actually waiting for the conditions to be in place, you might actually go to your 15-minute time frame or probably 30 minutes time frame. Since it's a scalping strategy, you don't need a more higher time frame, just a small time frame like maybe the 15-minute time frame or at most 30 minutes time frame, and you look at your chart. Okay, as you can see from here now, from what we are seeing here, you will say that this is a downtrend. Okay, this is a downtrend. This is how you identify a downtrend market. If you are familiar with the trend lines, you can draw your trend line and you will find out that this market is actually on a downtrend. So in this case, it favors you to sell the market at this time because it's on downtrend, okay, and it favors you, meaning the market will be selling for some period of time. Okay, that's why you don't have to stay long in the market. Just buy 20 minutes, 20 candlesticks, and you close the trade with profit. So guys, don't always forget to check the trend whenever you want to use this strategy or whatever strategy you want to use, or whatever trading you want to trade. Okay, not just boom and crash. Even if you want to trade maybe the fix, the VIX, the volatility, or the jump, or step index, whatever trade you want to trade, always watch out for the trend first. Price action matters a lot in trading. Okay, when once you're familiar with price action, trust me guys, you will always win plenty of the trades. Okay, so that's why I always talk about people coming for mentorship, that it's always good for you to learn more about it before you start trading. So we can actually that was when I was talking about enrolling in our mentorship program. You can chat me up, and I can teach you and make you understand how this thing works. Okay, don't forget to chat me up, guys. If you want mentorship, I'm here for you guys. Don't forget to chat me up. Let's do this, guys. So after you might have finished analyzing your chart and seeing that the market is in your favor, that the trend is in your favor, that is actually a downtrend, and it's okay for you to actually initiate your sell trade, you go back to your 1 minute time frame. And when that happens, what do? You wait for a spike to happen that will take the market to this level 90 here. As you can see, there was a spike here, but it didn't actually reach our target, which is the 90 and 95 level. So at this point, I won't advise you to take any trade. You just wait till whenever you have a spike that will actually push the market to the overbought level, which is the level 90 and level 95. Let me show you an example of what I mean. Okay, this is it, guys. This is a spike happening here, pushing the price up to this level 90 and 95. And when that happens, once you find your black and green indicator above the level 90 or in between level 90 and level 95, what you do next is you wait. That's why I say patience is very important in trading. You have to be patient. If you're not patient, you end up opening wrong trades and lose money. So now, after you see your black and green indicator on your indicator window 1 at level 90 or in between level 90 and 95, you now look over your main chart. Okay, and you have to wait till when you see your green and red indicator crossing each other to the downside like this. And when that happens, that is when you initiate your trade. You open your positions and you pick 20 candlesticks. 20 candlesticks, that's 20 minutes, guys. If you are using a 1 minute time frame, each of these candlesticks represents 1 minute. So if you see 20 candlesticks, that means it's 20 minutes. So just stay for 20 minutes, pick 20 candlesticks, close the trade, wait for this condition to happen again, and you open your trade, take 20 candlesticks. You can do this as much times as you want. So far the conditions are in place, guys. This strategy is a bomb. It's a bomb, guys. It's a bomb. Guys, I promise you, after using this strategy, you will come back here and give some testimony, because this is one of the best strategy you will ever see online. So let's just backtest and let me show you more. Okay, this is it, guys. And you see the green indicator and the black one at the level 90, and on your main chart you see the red and green indicator crossing each other to the downside. As you can see, boom, there was a whole lot of candles here. It's over 40 candlesticks, but I only advise you to pick 20, close the trade, wait for the indicators to be in place again, then you open your positions and you start selling. You can see it's happening over and over again. This is another one here, the level 90 here, the black and green indicator on the level 90, and on your main chart the red and green indicator crossing each other to the downside, and as you can see, boom, more than 20 candlesticks, and you close your trade. So guys, if you can go back and you can backtest this as much as you can, you will see that this is happening real, guys. It's happening real. This is another example here, black and green indicator at level 90 and red and green indicator crossing each other to the downside, and boom, 20 candlesticks and more. So guys, this strategy works perfectly fine, but before you can actually execute this strategy to really be in your favor, like I said, you always have to follow the trend. Make sure that if you are on boom and you want to scalp, make sure that the trend is on a downtrend, so it will favor your sell trade. If you're on crash and you want to scalp, make sure that the trend is on uptrend so that it will favor your trade in buying. Don't make that mistake, guys, because if you make that mistake, the strategy will not actually work perfectly fine and you will think it's not working. Always follow the trend. Make sure you understand the trend, guys. This strategy is a bomb. It's one of the kind. It's one of the best you will ever see online. Just do the same thing I did. Make sure you do the settings right. Don't make any mistake. Use it on your demo account if you're not comfortable, and when you're more comfortable, you move to your real account and come out and drop your testimony here, because you're actually going to make a lot of money with this strategy. This is one of the best you will ever see. So guys, like I said, don't forget to check on your description page. You will see a link to my WhatsApp number. Just chat me up, whatever it is you want to talk to me about. Is it for mentorship? Is it for VIP channel? Is it for account management? Whatever is it, just chat me up and we will relate together, guys. And still on the description page, there is a link to my free Telegram group where we drop free signals, and we also talk about how the chart is doing at a particular time of the day and when you can actually initiate your buy or sell trade. So guys, just watch this video as much as you can. Just make sure that you understand everything I said and did here correctly. Then you can also go to your main chart, your real account, use this trade, use this strategy, make some money for yourself, guys, because it's one of a kind. It's reliable. If you know, whatever I always post here, guys, is always a reliable and a profitable strategies. You can go back to my old videos, you will see a lot of testimonies of how people, dropping comments on how my strategies have been helping their life, turning them into millionaires. So guys, use this strategy on your chart, make some money, come back here and comment. Let's know how it turned out for you. So guys, thanks for watching the video. See you some other time, guys. Bye.